Australia is set to invest $3 billion in the United States as part of the AUKUS Pact over the next 5 years. That's all for today. To stay up to date on AI plus military, remember to subscribe. The funds will be used for long lead items and to expand American shipyards constructing Australia-bound Virginia-class nuclear-powered attack submarines. This investment is aimed at helping Australia receive the Virginia-class submarines more quickly in the early 2030s. The revelation was made by Vice Admiral Jonathan Meade at the Australian Strategic Policy Institute conference. The exact details of the investment and the time frame in which the funds will start to flow were not provided by Meade. It's known, however, that Australian defence spending is dropping by $1.5 billion over the next 2 years. The AUKUS deal has previously sparked speculation about investments in both US and UK shipyards, but recent comments from American lawmakers and Meade hint at the funds being US-bound. Australia is facing a substantial defence spending bill as it transforms its naval infrastructure to accommodate Virginia-class submarines. The base HMAS Stirling, near Perth in Western Australia, is projected to be the main facility for these submarines and will undergo significant upgrades. Over the next 4 years, roughly $1 billion is allocated for the upgrades, with an additional $7 billion committed over the next decade. The statement made by Julian Hill, the chair of the subcommittee, emphasized the urgency of upgrading existing facilities, citing their state of disrepair. Vice Admiral Meade mentioned the intention is for Australia to invest early in the US industrial base to have the submarines fast-tracked. The deep maintenance of the submarines will be completed before they are sent to Australia. The nature of the financial transaction, whether it will be transferred to the US government, companies, or a mixture of both, is still not clear. This investment underscores Australia's strategic military pivot, symbolising a strengthened alliance with the United States.